Hey y'all, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new video. This is the first ever kind of unboxing on my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shalicia. I usually post all things beauty related, sometimes fashion, and maybe now I'll be throwing a bit of luxury in there because your homegirl did a thing. If you watched my luxury wish list for 2021, I'll leave it up in the cards above. I had told you about the Gucci purse I was gonna get. I purchased it. It's on its way. It's coming like this week. But I keep watching luxury videos because that's what I do. I'll link below a few of my favorite people I like watching because they're so informative. They give me joy, and everything. And everyone's always saying that these certain items that I'm sharing with you right now are hard to find items. And like even me, I know when I'm on the Louis site, yes, it's a Louis triple unboxing because why not? You gotta treat yourself sometimes, right? But it is a Louis triple unboxing, and whenever I've looked at the website, it has always, two of these items have always been out of stock. And I was on it like last week because I got my holiday bonus from work, and I was like, you know what, I worked hard. I'm gonna treat myself. I did great in school this past semester, got a semester and a half left. Live your life. You only live once, Especially because I'm trying to be on a no-buy with makeup because I spend too much money on makeup. If you don't know, now you know. Like, I just spend a lot on makeup. So, I was like, oh, one item was in stock online. I was like, I could order it online. But at my local mall that I like to frequent, they have a Louis store. And I was like, let me go down there because I'm already going shopping for another item, which will be in another haul video. Or like what fits in my bag kind of video in a week or so. I just don't know how I'm posting these because I kind of want to post my Gucci one first because that's technically what I ordered first. But then if I try to show you what fits in that, I need these items. So we're going to do this one first. It's actually going to come up after the vlog. So if you're new and you haven't seen the vlog yet, I'll link it up with the cards because that is going to explain this. So it is a triple Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I'm just gonna grab and go because I honestly don't remember which bag has what because I did kind of open them when I got home, so I was like reliving the moment. So with this is no way, shape, or form or bragging, right? Because I don't really shop like that for purses and stuff and whatever. But I wanted to share with you guys because these are like unicorn items. These are hard to find items, it seems like, in the luxury community, and I was able to grab 3, so I was very, very happy. So the first one, let me just thing it. Hold on. Oh no, it came off. Okay, it was all like nicely bowed and packaged, but I've been playing with it and like taking in and out quite a bit. So this is what it comes like. Like so. It's a little slide down box. Like so. I feel like when I watch these videos, people always show that they got the receipt to show that it's authentic. I'm not sure why, like, I get the reason why and whatever, but it is what it is. So in here, it just has thanks for shopping at Louis Vuitton, and like how I can hot stamp it, fragrance engraving and stuff like that, leather care repairs, stuff like that, which is cool. That's nice. It comes in this dust bag. Like y'all know how it comes. This is the dust bag. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, I know what this is. And this is the first item. It is the key pouch in the Demi Abin print. Funny story, guys. When I went in, she had told me that there was 3 in stock that morning, and I got there at 12, okay? And 2 had sold because someone was looking at the other one and they decided not to get it. So I had the choice between this print and the monogram print. And because it's my first Louis purchase, I was like to her, what would you recommend? Because I didn't really have a particular one in mind. Like, I wasn't leaning towards the monogram or the demi-bin or the azure one. I wouldn't have gotten that one because that's late, that's white. No, that's just something that I would have to be too careful with, and I'm not really careful with my products. And then she gave me the whole background story that the demi-bin was the original Louis Vuitton print. I was like, oh, is it now? Because I didn't know that. And she's like, yeah, the LV monogram only came out after Louis Vuitton died by his son, so he created that and remembrance. I was like, oh, I like this story. So I ended up going with the demi-bin key pouch right here. I figured this one is made in France. Tells you right there, right here. It has like the dark brown interior. It's a coated fabric calf leather interior lining. So they tell you that. I always see people telling you their dates on here. I don't even know how to find that. So I'm not gonna struggle to look for that, to be honest. But it's a made in France piece. The zipper's not too bad. I hear people that the zippers can be a little difficult to make sure it's good. So that's that. It has the little hook here, so you can put your key, put your keys on it. I'm probably just gonna put my card key, because it's a key fob, which I didn't bring with me because I haven't set this up yet. Key fob, my gym one, and maybe my mom's house key, because those are the keys I use the most. And this is probably gonna be like on hand all the time. And I'll probably put like my driver's and a bank card or two in here, because you can put your keys in here. You could put some cash in here. I personally don't like carrying cash because it always burns a hole in my pocket. I feel like I need to spend it right away. I don't know. Is anyone else like that? That when you have cash, it needs to be spent? Even if like I have no reason to spend it, I'm spending it. Like I got cash for my Christmas gift, and my grandma and my daughter got some cash. So I each transferred my daughter her cash, and I have the other cash in my card holder that I have right now. And I'm just like, what am I going to use it on? Because no one's really taking cash. I don't really want to go to the bank because it's limited in how they're seeing people. And I low-key misplaced my bank card because it's on my Apple Pay and whatever. So, yeah. Then the next item I purchased is another unicorn item. And it came all like this, all nicely wrapped. I don't know if I would keep the ribbon on the boxes. You know, because I'm probably not gonna store them in the boxes because I'm planning to use them for the most part, you know. So this one is this one right here. It's another dust bag like this. And this item is the mini pochette accessoire. Is that how you pronounce it, guys? So this is, everyone keeps saying that mini pochette is different. I'll explain. Hold on, let me just go to it on the website. I should have been more prepared, but I didn't think of it, to be honest. I'm horrible. So I got it in the demi-bin as I'm searching for this. Hold on. Yeah, this is a mini pochette accessoire. Accessories. Everyone says it different. And then there's a mini pochette purse, right? But I got this one because it was on stock online, but I was like, you know what? If I go to the store and it's in stock there, then it's meant to be. So I got it in the demi-bin as well to match the key pouch. If y'all didn't know, I'm Jamaican, like heritage, and I find that Jamaicans are very matchy people. Like if you look at the 90s, our parents always, like our dads always had those like pimp suits, you know, with a pinstripe matching jacket, pants, tie, croc-esque shoes. So I really embodied that in life. So I got it in that print to match the key pouch. It has the cherry red interior. There's no pockets in it. Oh, on this one, I think I found the dates. Yep, on this one I can see the date stamp. It says Oh, I can't even read it, to be honest. So I'm not even gonna try because I can't see that real. But it had the little code in there. It tells me that it is coated fabric with cowhide leather trim. And like I said, it has the cherry red interior. What I like about this, from what I've seen on YouTube, is that many people like using it as a catch-all. So like they throw all like their lipsticks, you know, their cards, etc., in it. I don't know if I'd use it as a catch-all, to be honest, but I'm not really a mini bag person either. And I saw a couple videos today before filming this that people have been using the larger gold chain and attaching it to it and using it as a mini bag. I'm gonna see if my phone fits in it. I just have the new iPhone 12 Pro. It's not new, but you know, I got the 12 Pro, and I can't even like get it to fit. Like it won't, like I could struggle to fit it in there, but that's a lot of effort because if you want to get it out in a rush, it's not getting out. But you could use it for like lip gloss and whatever, as I see people doing. I probably wouldn't put lip gloss in it just because it's fabric in there, and you know, if makeup gets on it, it's not coming off, and I don't want to ruin the bag. But I think it'd be a really nice catch-all for all my other cards, potentially, because I don't have a card holder yet. And I went looking. This is how I got a third piece. So I went back the next day after getting the first two that I just showed you. And I went back because I wanted the matching card holder. And when I was at this purchase, the SA was showing me the 6-ring and 4-ring key holder because I'd asked her if she had it in stock. Because those are on stock online at the time when I was gone shopping. So if I was like, if it's not there, I could go get it online, you know, and just do it. And so she had showed me the next purchase, which honestly, guys, I went home that day and I couldn't sleep. Like I kept thinking about it in my sleep. I was like, oh, I should have done it. I should have just gotten it. Oh, why didn't I get it? Like I was kicking myself in the butt for not getting it. Because I was like, oh, that's so much to be dropping on like a whim at Louis. So this is the last item I got. It is another, I feel like it's another unicorn piece because I feel like people are always saying that it's out of stock online. I don't know how true that is. So, you know, it's in another dust bag. And it is the Damier Ebene print 6-key holder. So this one is also made in France. So I lucked out, all 3 of my pieces were made in France. This one says it's coated fabric with cowhide leather lining. So when I was picking this one, so it looks like on the inside, has the key rings here, which shouldn't be too hard to like work with. I don't even know. It should be fine to work with, you know. I've seen people take some of their key rings out to make it more spacious. But honestly, I'm probably just putting my house keys in here, my best friend's house keys in here, my mailbox key, and my work key. I might put my work key on my on the key pouch because whatever, but on the days I work at my new job, there's always going to be someone with me closing. So do I really need to have my key accessible? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But this is this. I'm really excited for this because I was debating between this one and the Gucci one. The Gucci one was $300 and this was $310. I'll link everything down below if you're interested, and maybe it'll be available for y'all to pick up. But the Gucci one was $310, but the Gucci purse I bought, you'll see because it's going to come up after this video because it's not here yet. It has yellow on it and it was all black, and I wasn't really feeling how it looked. I don't know. And now after I got this one, I kind of want to get it still, but that's a lot. I don't have that many keys. I really don't need that many key holders, to be honest. So realistically, I'm not getting it. I'm really not. But I'm really super excited about my first Louis Vuitton purchases. Like, this triple unboxing was everything for me. Like, I was super excited when I got it. Like, I have stopped cheesing about it. When I say cheese, I've been smiling hard because every time I look at the boxes, I'm like, oh, I did my first big girl purchase. Oh, I'm living my life, you know, guys? But let me know in the comments down below what your first Louis purchase was or what you plan on letting it be, because now that I have the Demi Bin print, I realized not a lot of the bags I wanted come in that print. So, and I want like a matching set, you know, because I'm weird, I'm Caribbean. Don't judge me. Judge me hard. Like, go ahead, because I'm judging me hard too, because I want it all to match. But I was thinking of the Neo Noe as a bag because I thought that'd be cute. Or the Alma BB. The Alma BB is a little too structured for me. And I like the Neo Noe because it has that zipper pocket in the middle and has like 2 side compartments. So that's a nice one. I don't think, or the Speedy 30, no, the Speedy 25 Badulay would be also a good match. I don't know, I haven't decided. So my wish list might change, or you might see different things show up this year. I don't know, but we'll see. But like I said, if you like these kind of videos, thumbs it up. I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.